Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Kehot LED garage light. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So here this says adjustable panels, color rendering index is 80+, 50,000 hour lifespan, easy installation. It says wide application, warehouse, garage, office, gym, stage, supermarket, etc. You can adjust these panels here, so this shows 180 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. Here's also the angle here. Here are the specs. LED type is 2835. Net weight is 1.48 pounds. Input is 85 to 265 volts AC. Energy savings is 85%. The usable temperature range is -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Compatible light holder is E26, E27. Package dimensions are 6.3 by 5.51 by 4.92 inches. Okay, so let's get this open. So I was pulling it out by this cap and it was slipping a little bit, so you do want to make sure you don't drop it. I'll just pull that off. Pull this bag off the outside. Let's look at the manual here. Here's some notes to read through before you install it. This talks about the installation. You align it with the socket, you turn it clockwise. So this is as easy to install as a regular light bulb. And here are the dimensions here. When it's fully open, it's 11.8 inches. When it's completely closed up, it's 5.4 inches or 4.3 tall. So here's some more specs here. It says the material is aluminum plus ABS plus polycarbonate, and it says it's for indoor use only, and it says the light source of the lamp cannot be replaced. So let's take a look at this. So this has these 6 panels, and it also has a light in the middle, and this uses a traditional light socket, and the Amazon description page said this is rated at 10,000 lumens. So these can open up like so. I'll just lay it on my bench here. So these are opened up flat, so it's 180 degrees. So this would shine light straight down, but if you had something you wanted to highlight, a certain area, you can lift these up. So you could potentially just lift maybe these 2 up. When you get in the fixture, if you have something on the right and left you want to illuminate, you could lift them all up like it came. If you want to light all around, you could just angle each one up. Many orientations for this, so you can aim this to wherever you want the light to go. So let me turn it all the way over. So here it is from the other side. Let me zoom out. There we go. So you can see there's an array of LEDs on each one of these, and there's an array in the middle. So the aluminum construction on each panel is going to help dissipate that heat, and then this in the middle here is plastic. So I'm going to go install this in my garage, and then we'll take a look at it. Okay, so this is a little bit dark here, hence the need for a light. So this is a ceramic socket. I'll just screw this in. Now you want to make sure it's screwed in before you let go so it doesn't fall on you. And this would probably be easier with 2 hands. Okay, now I'll turn it on. There we go. So this is what it looks like in the garage. I have the 2 cars here. It's lighting up the center portion of the garage very well. Turn it off again. So there's a little bit of light coming in from the garage doors. But when I turn it on, this is how bright it is. So this is how bright the car is. So the neat feature of this is that I can angle these. So I'll angle the 2 side panels. Okay, so that's casting more light over here now. Now I'll cast some light towards the back a little more. It's kind of hard to see because this is dark, but I have these 2 front ones flat and these all angling out. The light is closer to the wall on this side where these flat lights are. So I just want the light down there, but I want it out on the rest of the garage. And there we go. That really lights up the whole garage. So when I first turn that on, the center light comes on first, then the other lights come on. So if you want immediate light, it does have immediate light, but it doesn't light up the whole area right away, but it does it very quickly. And here's a close-up of the light. So that's the Kehot LED garage light. If you're looking for a simple but very effective upgrade for your garage lighting, I think this is a great option. Previously, I had a splitter in here with 2 bulbs in it, and it would light to the left and to the right, but it didn't light up the rest of the garage, so it wasn't all that effective. I like that this really upgrades the lighting without requiring any wiring upgrade or running new circuits or anything like that. Since this is LED, this is going to take less energy than the equivalent of incandescent. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.